today we're making another video, and it's gonna be like of me playing with this narwhal. Narwhal, swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome, just like me. And I'm gonna play a new game. Should a fork be the parent? What do you think, Mom? Should it be a bunny or a poodle? I know. I'll have the shark be the father, and the T-Rex be the dad, or the mother. Or lion. Never mind, I'll pick a lion. This is cool. Shark plus lion equals Great White King. Oh, that's the best. I accept that. Now I'm gonna run around and kill stuff. Is that a level? Oh my gosh, it is. Okay, what should I do? Crowd decide. Okay. I see 10 votes on attack speed, 10 votes on accuracy, 10 votes on everything other than damage, which has 12 votes, so I'll do damage. Did I really get more than one level? No, I did not. Okay. Game's not that crazy. Can't wait till I'm like level 50 something, and I'm just gonna run around and slaughter everything with my titanium sword. I think they have those. Okay, what should I do next, crowd? Okay, run speed it is. Fine. Just had to type that in the chat, didn't you? What the heck? I'm trying to attack a thingy. I don't want to attack a rock because it's useless. I wonder why I can't get in the stuffs. Nobody knows, whatever. Whee! Ooh, I need that stick. I want a stick. Yeah. More attack thingies. Come on, turn the radio on. Saturday, I won't be wrong tonight. Well, that was an ad. Whatever. Let's go damage. Those guys up in the right corner, I'm not sure about them. I'm not going to attack them now, but maybe later. Because I'm lazy. Just want a stick. Just want a stick. Ooh, let's get this one. Whee. Yeah, I got a stick. One wood. Fun. Ooh, it's a level up. Whee. Let's go run speed. Yeah. That was my choice, not the crowd's. And that ends today's video.